Hey everybody, welcome back to another ultimate cleaning motivation video for you guys. Today I'm going to be tackling a lot of rooms in my house. I'm going to be doing the main living room, my kitchen, and then the bedrooms as well. So today I'm going to start off in the living room. I just needed to pick up everything off the floor and put it back to where it belongs, and then give it a good vacuum. My house wasn't a complete disaster this day, but I did have a couple things that I needed to get done, so we're going to go ahead and do those today. I've been thankfully keeping up with my cleaning tasks throughout the week, which makes the weekends a lot easier, just less to clean up and then more time to relax and hang out with the family. And if this is your first time over to my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome. My name is Melanie, and if you like this kind of cleaning content, feel free to hit the like button and also subscribe as well.
Knows what we got.
Vacuuming is something that I like to do at least 3 times a week, sometimes even once a day, honestly. With 2 dogs and a little baby boy, I like to keep it under control and maintain it. And let me know down in the comments if you have animals as well and how often you vacuum.
When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but...
Also, how cute is my little helper? He gets so excited whenever I vacuum, so I'm happy I got to share that with you guys.
Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't. They don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. They don't.
And now that I got that done, I'm going to head upstairs and tackle my son's nursery, and I'm going to show you guys a little clip. I'm so thankful to have a husband that helps me with my son, so I can go ahead and film these videos, but listen to this, it's so cute.
You're funny. Wow.
He was keeping him entertained, so I can go ahead and get this done, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. I thought it was so cute. I didn't have too much that I had to get done in here, but I did need to change his crib sheet and then wipe down all of the surfaces in his room, vacuum, and then restock some of his diapers.
People know that we're more than friends. Ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down. Just like in the movies, with a happy end. Yeah, but sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah. Oh, let me drown. Oh, no, 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 no. Met you
remember to move these and vacuum underneath them more often, because if you saw in a few videos back, I moved them for the first time in a while and it was super dusty and bad, so I'm trying to keep up on it.
I don't know who you are, I don't know what you've been through.
And now we're just going to work my way into my kitchen, and my countertops are not bad at all, thank goodness, but I did have quite a few dishes that I had to get done, so let's go ahead and do them. And if you do notice I have an outfit change, it's because I put my son to sleep and I gave him a bath beforehand, and he loves to splash in the bath lately, so I got totally soaked, so I had to change my shirt.
In a movie line, we can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I am so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not you, don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight. Seven of you and only one is for real. You spin me around and you make believe. Seven of you and only me. How can I trust your personality? Seven you and only one is for real. Let me be the one that makes you feel. Seven you and only me. Seven you and only one is for real.
And now before I hand wash the items that I had left over, I wanted to wipe down my countertops before, that way they're just drying on a clean surface. And I am just using some good old lemon Lysol. I have been keeping up on my kitchen, which I'm so thankful about, honestly. I've just been taking about 30 minutes every night just to pick everything up and put it back to where it belongs. That way the next day my house isn't a complete disaster, which helps a lot. And let me know down in the comments if you guys have cleaning tasks that you guys do daily. I love hearing other people's cleaning routines just to see how they do it.
I saw your arms around somebody. I never thought it'd be so hard, yeah. Even though I'm the one that broke us apart, yeah. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Baby, I'm sorry for all that it's been. No, I can't let go. Tell me you want something more. Baby, I'm sorry for everything. Come back to me and tell me, do you think back on how we parted? It wasn't pretty and I'm sorry. Wish I could take back what I said then. I never meant it. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. Come back to me.
And I do normally just let my dishes air dry overnight, but I wanted to have my countertops completely free, so I'm just going to dry them now and put them away.
I'm going out, the same thing games keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth.
And now the last thing we're going to do in the kitchen before we start working on the floors is just my appliances, and I'm spraying them down with the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner and just wiping them down.
Take it somewhere else with ya, with ya. I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else with ya, with ya.
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
And now for my floors, I am just going to be sweeping and then using the O-Cedar hand mop to mop my floors, and you guys will see how much dog hair there was on the floor. It was so shocking to me and honestly kind of gross, so just be ready for it.
It's gonna make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You're trying to impress me, but I don't care about your Rolex or your credit card. Rolex or your credit card. But still you won't quit trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again, again, again.
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can say you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. Trying to buy me drinks and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot.
Now that we got the kitchen finally done, we're gonna head back upstairs to work on our master bedroom. I wanted to change the sheets this day, and then I did have a load of laundry to fold and then to vacuum the floors.
Dripping, 'cause we're spending the night, and it feels alright, but it's over now. Time keeps slipping with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Had a vision, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned out the lights for no reason. was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying.
Another thing that I've been pretty good about staying on top of is laundry, thankfully. I've just been doing about a load of laundry every single day. Just getting it done, start to finish, really helps minimize it. And I do use the KonMari folding method, and I recently did just do a huge closet declutter, so I'll go ahead and have that linked in the cards in the description box down below for you guys if you want to check it out.
Yesterday I told you I think that we made a mistake, 'cause you and I, we lost our sight. It's all about give and take. I don't wanna see when you're at parties with Ollie and the others. You know I really got along with him and your family. Your ex got jealous. Did we do it right? You know, no. Did we speak from our hearts so we could make it right without a fight? You know, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right. It got me spinning round, round. 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 I'm standing here in plain sight. Still it doesn't seem like you see me. I hate everything about this night. Doesn't matter what I do can get to you. I don't wanna see when you're at parties.
So I'm done vacuuming. That is going to be it for today's Clean With Me. I hope you enjoyed it and it gives you some motivation to get up and clean your house. I'd love to have you give this video a thumbs up, and also feel free to subscribe to my channel so you never miss any of my uploads, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Did we speak from our hearts so we could make it right without a fight? You know, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right. It got me spinning.